Don't stare at me now. What's up, guys? Tyra here. Long time no see. So I just wanted to do a quick video for our hanging teddy bear sculpture. This is a frame that I made, and I'm sorry I didn't do it from scratch in front of you on video because I wasn't thinking. I actually made this in front of my TV. I do this, I make these all the time, so I kind of can do it with my eyes closed. But I'll guide you into how you can make this frame, okay? And also, excuse me, I have no eyebrows, I got no makeup, but you know, you still love me anyway, right? That's right. I usually get my hula hoops from Dollar Tree, but you can only get them during the summer. So I actually bought wholesale, and I just keep them in stock in case I have to make any of these frames. Okay, so the frame consists of 5 hula hoops, okay? 3 at the top that you're gonna open up, and 2 on these sides, okay? So what you're gonna do is drill holes to 3 hula hoops, 1, 2, and 3, and then you are going to get a ring bolt and put it through here, okay? This one I kind of got it too long, so I cover the rest of the bolt with tape so it won't pop my balloons. It doesn't need to be that long, obviously, so you can get a shorter one, but they just didn't have that much in inventory, so I ended up getting this one. All right, so that's it. It's pretty easy. And then this is just regular tape. Can you toss me that tape over there, guys? It's on the table. Thanks for walking it. Yeah, this is just regular silver tape that I got from Walmart, and I just tape where it connects together, and that's that. So 3 on top, 2 on the side, and then you are going to tape each end together. And there's also one at the bottom, okay? So you have to do the same at the bottom. So here you're going to hang from the ceiling or wherever it's going to hang from, and down here you are going to hang the teddy bear from here. Now I'm going to show you how to place balloons on here. So all you have to do is wrap around dupes into the frame. On location, I will probably add more 5-inch balloons, but for now this works. Okay, I will show you the final on location.